Creating an email campaign in Mailchimp for your business can seem overwhelming, but I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create effective campaigns that drive results. Stick around because I've got a secret bonus at the end that'll give you access to a limited time, extended free trial to Mailchimp. Don't miss that. First, let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, no worries, you can sign up for free through the first link below and get exclusive bonuses for using Mailchimp with our special offer. Now, once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is set up your audience. This is where all your contacts are stored. If you don't already have an audience, click on the Audience tab and create one. Import your contacts if you have a list or manually add them. This is important because Mailchimp relies on this list to send out your email campaigns. Next, let's move on to creating your campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button. You'll be asked to choose an email type. For a basic email campaign, select Email and give your campaign a name. This is where the magic happens, so make sure to choose something that's easy to identify for your future reference. The third thing is designing your email. Mailchimp offers a drag and drop builder, so you don't need to be a design expert to make an attractive email. Start by choosing a template. There are tons of pre-designed options you can tweak to match your brand. Add images, text, and links where needed. The beauty of Mailchimp is that it's so flexible. You can change the color scheme, fonts, and layout to make sure your email fits your business's personality. Next, we need to personalize your email content. Mailchimp allows you to use merge tags, which are placeholders for dynamic content like the recipient's name or company. This makes your email feel more personal and engaging. Just make sure to review the email content and ensure there are no mistakes. It's always a good idea to double-check before sending it out. Now, let's talk about scheduling. You can either send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time. I recommend scheduling it based on your audience's behavior. If you know they open emails more frequently at certain times, that's when you want to hit send. Mailchimp will even suggest optimal times based on when your contacts are most active, so you don't have to guess. Finally, before hitting send, don't forget to test your email. Mailchimp lets you send a test email to yourself so you can see exactly what it looks like in your inbox. Make sure everything looks good, check for broken links, ensure your images are displaying properly, and test your call to action buttons to ensure they lead to the right pages. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to create a Mailchimp email campaign for your business. As a reminder, you can use this software for free by signing up through the first link below, and you'll also get access to an exclusive extended free trial to Mailchimp. Take advantage of that before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you get started with Mailchimp and elevate your business email campaigns.